Hi and welcome to umnify. In this video, we would like to give you a brief introduction to the platform and guide you through your first steps with umnify. We start with the login. To log into umnify, visit umnify.com and click on the login button in the top right corner. Or go directly to login.umnify.com and fill in the login details you entered during the registration process. Then click on the blue button and you're all ready to go. Once on the platform, we find the menu with an overview of your apps on the left-hand side. The individual apps are grouped in so-called app bundles, which can be shown or hidden by clicking on the arrow. If you want to search for a specific app, click on the filter at the top and enter the app you want to find. If you want to install more apps, click on the large plus symbol in the menu bar. Here, you will find many more app bundles for different use cases, which you can install directly by clicking on the blue button. By clicking on an app in the menu on the left, we get an overview of all the entries in the middle of the screen. The individual widgets in the in-app dashboard at the top provide you with the most important key figures at a glance. You can immediately see what is relevant at any given time. Each app offers a structured view that you can filter and sort according to your needs. To search for a specific entry in the app, click on the filter icon on the right-hand side of the screen. Then enter the search term in one of the fields at the top and confirm by pressing the Enter key to show you the correct entry. To return to the full view, click on Show All at the top. To see more details about an entry or to edit it, simply click on the element in the app overview. To create a new entry in an app, click on the Create button at the top right and enter all the information in the corresponding fields. Mandatory fields are marked with a red star. Then click on the Save button and you have created a new entry in an app. Back in the app overview, we find further settings in the top right-hand corner, for example for your profile, such as the language settings or general account settings. The bell symbol informs you about important news and alerts in the platform, and next to it, you can switch to light or dark mode. Whether you are working in light or dark mode, if you need assistance, the umnify support team will be happy to help you. Just write us at support@umnify.com. We hope this first overview has helped you, and now have fun exploring your new platform.